So the president just signed a document, and he was very clear. And let me tell you what the president is referencing before you jump into my comments. He is specifically talking about a man that was arrested by the federal government for altering or deleting diesel vehicles because the emission systems were causing them to fail. That's what he did. And the president just said they're arresting people for trying to fix or get their vehicles back on the road. Don't just take my word for it. We're going to get into it right after this. Guys, before I get into today's video, I got to talk about the giveaway that's going on the channel right now. The Dodge Durango Hellcat is now active. The F8 green with the gold wheels, absolutely beautiful. Probably my favorite color combo of anything Mopar ever is up. And we have a combo up, which is available that also lets you get in on the Ram 3500 Diesel Limited. And that truck is going to be ending on June 2nd. So there's only a few of the combos remaining. The 100X multiplier is 50% off by using coupon code COMBO with the number 2. And the 50X multiplier is 50% off by using the coupon code COMBO. Now the 100X is limited to the first 5 orders, so those could sell out at any time. The combos with the Durango and the Ram 3500 could also sell out at any time. If you want to get in on that, you want to get in at the best rate with the most amount of entries, that's how to do it. And it gets you in on both. Link is in the description down below, tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. So the president just signed an order, and he said this will allow people to be able to fix their vehicles. Manufacturers cannot put up any bullshit about letting people fix their vehicles. And that is across the board. That goes for companies, if it's sold here in the US, Ferrari. What he's talking about here, though, is diesel trucks. Because the emission systems in these trucks will fail, and the way you fix that when the parts are not available is by putting it on the Jenny Craig weight loss plan and removing that shit. The president, by signing this order right now, and I know you're going to say, oh, it's just an executive order. It's just an executive order. It doesn't mean anything. They can always change it. No fucking shit. Oh, God. I hate the crybaby bitches, man. Oh, my God. It's just, oh, man. Ugh. I don't even know how you get through life being that fucking miserable. But anyways, I'm on one today. Let me try to brighten myself up here with a white Monster. That's what I needed. Anyways, president signs this, and he had the following statements. We're going to run that right now.
It came to my attention because I noticed they were arresting people for fixing their car. They were arresting people for fixing. That's not even believable. Anyway, so it's right to fix, and I think it's really common sense. If somebody wants to fix, some of these people are better mechanics than the mechanics in the shop. They're telling the mechanic in the shop how to fix their car or their truck. We signed the truck one a little while ago. So I'm going to sign this, and I'll be happy about it. We rule by common sense to a large extent.
So what does this mean? I already know someone's going to get in my comment, diesel deletes are still illegal, you can't do them, blah, blah, blah. What did he just say? Listen to what he said. Oh, I already signed the other executive order allowing people to repair their trucks. Did you hear what he said? Now, because he goes, oh yeah, we already did this for trucks or whatever, but now we're just going to do it for all vehicles. And you can't be arrested for fixing your vehicle, meaning his executive order is going to go directly against the Clean Air Act. And people are going to sue. They're going to have to sue. Please let it go to court and let the Supreme Court get their hands on that shit and find that the Clean Air Act and that provision in the Clean Air Act is unconstitutional. I dare you fucking retards to sue. Sue! Because right now, and look, before I made this video, I actually contacted an attorney friend of mine, right? Who is liberal as fuck. He is not a conservative at all. He drives a Prius too, by the way. And I said, hey, a 2012 Prius, like not even before where the Prius started to get cool. Not that it's cool, but you know what I'm saying. It's not the OC Motivator Prius. It's the I might dye my hair pink and randomly put things in my butt type of Prius. That's what that car. Anyways, so I hit him up. He's gonna text me. Fuck you, because he's gonna see this video. Anyways, so I hit him up about it, and I said, "What do you think about this?" And he said, "Oh, the president just de facto made diesel deletes legal because he's specifically referencing the case of the guy who was arrested. I think it was in Montana, right? Or Wyoming, one or the other. That was arrested for getting fire trucks and ambulances and other shit back on the road because they couldn't get the emission components to fix them, and deleted those vehicles so that they could go back into service. It wasn't like, like it was I don't even know how to explain it. It wasn't like a thing where it was a thing to try to defeat like a personal vehicle, which, I mean, granted, he did that to his own vehicle too, but he was trying to help out school buses and all kinds of shit. You have to go look at the story, research the story. But the president is specifically referencing him and now saying that they will no longer be able to arrest somebody for, and this is the key word. Remember when I told you when they did this, when he did the previous executive order, remember I told you, I said back then he signed that order specifically for diesels, that if you couldn't get the parts, if they didn't have the stuff for the emission system on these 2012, 2014, 2015 trucks, all the useful life and all that you could remove it to get it back on the road. And he did the same thing for farmers. I told you guys this was coming. I've been telling you guys this. Now, I know you're going to say, oh, it's only temporary. They can just change it back. Well, guess what? I don't think a Democrat's winning the White House in 2028. So miss me with that shit. I don't think anybody's going to overturn what the president did. And I hope they sue. And I hope it gets to the Supreme Court, because the Supreme Court's going to be like, this shit is unconstitutional. Bye. Then you dumbasses really lose. So this is a net win. This today is a net win. This is a massive, massive win. And I told y'all this was coming. I've been told y'all this was coming. Bro. You know what? We have absolute retards sometimes, and they just can't drive. But anyways, I want to know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Are you interpreting it the same way I am? I can tell you, I literally reached out to an attorney friend, a liberal, if you want to call him a libtard, attorney from Massachusetts, and he literally just said the same thing. He literally just said, he literally just said, they de facto just made diesel deletes legal. So yeah, this is an I told you so video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Yeah, I'm not getting a ticket. I'm not even going half the speed limit. But as always, stay petty, my friends.